Hi. So this is the second day of our Orthognathic workshop. I'm very happy to have all these doctors with me from different parts of India and abroad. So they're just going to say a few words about how our workshop is happening so far.
My name is Muhammad Ali Touni. I am a Maxillofacial resident at Nasr Institute Hospital in Cairo. We are here happy at Son Richardson Hospital. We have seen 3 cases yesterday, and we will see 2 cases today. Our experience is good, and Dr. Sanel leave us assist and observe him in the OR theater. And we also discuss the cases with him before and after the surgery.
My name is Ahmed Minchawi. I am a second year resident in Nasr Institute, Cairo Institute in Egypt. I'm very happy to visit India. It's my first time here. Thanks all goes to Dr. Sanel for his hospitality. On the surgical field, he had a very good planning, very good performance, and very good decisions. And I'm very happy to be here in the program.
Hello, I'm Dr. Komal Rastogi. I've come from Jaipur. I'm a maxillofacial surgeon. I've come here for the Orthognathic workshop, and it's a very nice workshop over here. We are getting chances to see and assess the cases, and very friendly atmosphere. Thank you.
Dr. Shreya, I'm the surgical fellow at Richardsons Hospital. We're having a 3-day workshop on orthognathic surgery, and we have very interesting cases lined up. I hope all the delegates have a really good time and a very learning experience.
Exactly split. It goes up.